This is the quads or bird dog exercise. This is another exercise helping your muscles in your abdominal and gluteal area to fire together. The first step is getting on all fours on a firm surface, keeping your stomach muscles tight. Lift one arm at a time, keeping your back nice and flat. When you can do that easily, start adding in a leg. Being careful not to twist or turn, keeping your back flat at all times. When that becomes easy, you can switch to using a ball. Just like on the table, you're going to start with your belly on the ball and simply lifting one arm at a time. Then one leg at a time. And then an arm and leg both at the same time. This is the quad or bird dog exercise.